We are looking for 10 motivated men or women who are willing to put in their time and commitment to learn how to create a 5-figure income from scratch using our proven creators framework. If this is you, watch this video to find out more. Hi, my name is Lionel Tan and I'm from the Next Level Academy. For the past 3 years, our company has generated more than $30 million in revenue using this exclusive creators framework that we have designed. Today, we have decided to stress test this powerful creators framework to see how many more success stories we can create out of nothing. To give you an idea of what this proven framework can potentially do, let me share with you a recent success story from one of our mentees. Now, to protect her privacy, let's call her Jenny. Using our creators framework, Jenny designed and delivered her presentation to an audience of 300 people, which made her more than $43,000 in just 2 hours. Now, this feat from Jenny did not happen by chance. In fact, the framework went through years of trial and error before we condensed and formulated them into an executable framework so that anyone can use them to shortcut their own success. Now, we want to impart this powerful creators framework to more people so that we can help them to increase their income and freedom. If you are ready to 3 times, 5 times, or even 10 times your income and achieve all your goals right now, take action and join our Next Level Creators Masterclass. And we will see you in the next video.